Hello, and thank you for attending Group 4's business plan presentation for 4U Accounting and Tax Services, LLC. My name is Cody Markham, and I will be introducing the business to you. And throughout the introduction, I will be going over a brief overview, the advantages that the business has over the competitors, the legal setup of the business, and discussing the 4 founding members. Okay, beginning with the brief overview of 4U Accounting and Tax Service, LLC. The business is an accounting and tax service business that specializes in accounting, bookkeeping, business consultations, payroll services, sales tax reports, and individual and business income tax returns. The business will be located in the heart of Phelps, Kentucky, which is a small, rural, eastern Kentucky town that is approximately 30 miles outside of Pikeville, Kentucky. And lastly, the reason why we wish to found this business here is to assist a small community and to provide the people and business owners in the area with the accounting and tax service opportunities that are currently unavailable to them due to their location and distance away from larger cities. Okay, the next topic I'd like to discuss is the advantages that 4U Accounting and Tax Service LLC garners over its competitors. The first advantage is that the business is located in a premium location. 4U Accounting and Tax Service LLC is located in the heart of Phelps, Kentucky, providing easy access to all residents and local business owners. The next advantage is 4U Accounting and Tax Service LLC is the only full-time accounting service in the area. The other accounting services in the area are either part-time or seasonal. The businesses also like to build personal relationships with the business owners and individuals in the area, which leads to the last advantage that it will provide individualized services to the customers to help cater to each need of the individual. Okay, on this slide I'd like to go over the legal setup of 4U Accounting and Tax Service LLC. The business will be founded as a limited liability corporation with 4 founding members, with each of the 4 founding members to have 25% in ownership. Also, the 4 founding members will each be required to make an initial investment of $6,250 to cover all startup costs. This will allow 4U Accounting and Tax Service LLC to require no external funding. With the 25% in ownership, the distributions will also be equally distributed 25% to the 4 members. Moving on to the final section of the introduction, I'll be covering the 4 founding members of 4U Accounting and Tax Service LLC. The first member is Lakin Chesser. She will be going over the marketing section with you today. Lakin is completing her bachelor's degree in business management, and she comes off with some work experience in management positions. The next member is Veronica Darty. She will be going over the operations sections with you today. Veronica is completing her bachelor's degree in general business and has handled day-to-day financial tasks with businesses and some work experience. Next up, we have James Charles, who will be covering the finance section with you today. James has a bachelor's degree in mining engineering and is completing his bachelor's degree in accounting. James also has work experience in the accounting field and is a certified income tax preparer with over 30 years of income tax return experience. And lastly, I'm Cody Markham. I will be returning to you at the conclusion. I am completing my bachelor's degree in accounting and I have work experience with business payroll software and preparation. And at this time, I'd like to turn the presentation over to Lakin Chesser to give you more detail on the marketing section. Thank you.